Welcome back to welcome back for the online class. Let us move on to the today's topic on neighborhood operations in related with the images. These are the contents to be discussed: neighborhood, adjacency, connectivity, paths, regions and boundaries. Okay. Let us will discuss on neighborhood first. Okay, and we will solve the problem related to adjacency and connectivity and paths. Okay. Now the basic relationships between pixels. Okay, the pixels will be defined with 4 neighbors, 8 neighbors. Now when we are discussing on 4 neighbors and 8 neighbors, okay, now let us move on to the coordinate geometry, how it will be displayed. Okay. Okay. Now these are the usual coordinate we will follow for the image processing. Okay. This will be x-axis, this will be y-axis. Okay. Now let us consider there is a pixel. Okay. Here is a 1 pixel. If I consider there are like so many number of pixels will be along the rows and the columns. If I consider this will be like a p. Okay. Let us consider the coordinate of this will be like x comma y. Okay. Now adjacent pixels, if I consider this is a adjacent pixel, right neighbor, we call it as a neighbor. Okay. The distance between the each pixel will be considered as 1. Okay. Now what is the neighbor of this one? Okay, left neighbor, it is a 1 more pixel. What is the distance here again? There is a 1. There is a right neighbor and the left neighbor. Okay. Now how I moved? Horizontal right side, horizontal left side. Similarly, you have to move up and downwards. Okay, let us consider this is a pixel. Again, the distance between these pixels is also 1. Okay, means how many neighbors for this corresponding pixels? 4 neighbors. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let us give it a detailed diagram. Okay, let us have a pixels p of x comma y. Okay. Now what I am discussing? I am discussing on 4 neighbors. Okay. Now this is a 4 neighbors. This is a 1 neighbor. Okay. This is a 1 more neighbor, and this is a 1 more neighbor. Okay. Now what is the distance between the each pixel? Is 1. Okay. Now if I am going with like a coordinate like this, you come to this point. Okay. X-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now when you are pointing for this pixel, along which direction you are moving? Along the y-axis. Means what is a constant? X is a constant. So what you will get here? X comma y plus 1. Okay. What is the coordinate of this one? X comma y plus 1. Okay. Now similarly I'll go to this pixel. Okay. Now again you look into this coordinate here. Now which coordinate will be constant? X will be constant. Okay. Which coordinate will be increasing or decreasing? There is a y coordinate, because you are going to the downwards with respect to the middle pixel. You need to be always considered with the middle pixel. Okay, that is what is the distance between the neighboring pixel? It is a y minus 1. I hope you understood. Okay. Now similarly you go upward like this. Okay. Now when you are going upward, okay, just I took with respect to the again with the middle pixel. What are the coordinates of this one? Okay. Now which coordinate is changing? Either x or y. Now x is changing. How the x is changing? It is increasing or decreasing? It is decreasing. By how much value? By value of 1. That is x minus 1. Okay. Now which coordinate is constant? Y will be constant. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now again I go with the down pixel. Okay. Now which pixel will be changing here? Again x pixel will be changing. How much value? That is x plus y. Which is constant? Y will be constant. Okay. Now these are called 4 neighbors, and what are the values of this one? X, y plus 1, x minus 1, y. Okay. Likewise. Okay. Similarly, if I consider as 8 neighbors. Okay. Now again I'll take here middle pixel p of xy. Okay, now I'm just pointing for the 8 neighbors. Okay, which are the 8 neighbors? Okay, first neighbor, second neighbor, third neighbor, fourth neighbor. Okay, now I'm into 8 neighbors diagonally. Okay, like this one diagonally you should go here. Okay, this is the point. Okay, now I'm discussing on 8 neighbors. Okay, with respect to this again middle pixel, you have to always discuss with respect to the middle pixel. Okay, now what are the coordinates of this one? That is x comma y plus 1. What are the coordinates of this one? That is x y minus 1. Okay, now what are the coordinates of this one? That is x plus 1 y. What are the coordinates of this? That is x minus 1 y. Okay, now I'm into 8 neighbors. Okay, now look at this one. I have to move with the first pixel. You go randomly anyway. Okay, now when I took this one, okay, there are like all the coordinates will be changing. That is x is also changing and y is also changing. Okay, now I'm into, look at this one. When you're going like this, okay, again you come to the point of like a x-axis and a y-axis. This is my x-axis. X-axis will be like a vertically, y-axis will be horizontally. Okay, now come to this point. You just observe which coordinate is changing. Okay, it is increasing or decreasing. It is increasing. Okay, with respect to the y. You consider with respect to y here. Okay, now how the x-axis with respect to it is a decreasing, means how much value you need to be considered always with respect to 1, that is x minus 1. Okay, now y is increasing. Okay, you consider this will be, okay, for you to understand I will write like this y. Okay, now this will be x-axis. Now x is what? Decreasing. Y is what? Increasing. How much value you need to be considered with 1 value, because neighboring pixel we are considered as 1. Okay, I hope you understood this one, x minus 1. Okay, now again I'll come to this point. This is the one more neighbor. Okay, now which value is increasing or decreasing? Now x is also decreasing, y is also decreasing. How much value is decreasing? 1 value, that is x minus 1, y minus 1. I hope you got the point here. Okay, now I'll come to this point. Okay, now which value? Okay, with respect to this one, which value is increasing? X value is increasing. How much value? 1 value, that is x plus 1. Okay, now y value decreasing. How much value? That is y minus 1. Okay, now I'll come to this one, the next pixel. Okay, now which value is increasing here? X coordinate is also increasing, y is also increasing. Increasing in the sense it is just going with respect to the middle pixel. You need to be always think with respect to middle pixel. Okay, that is how much value? X plus 1 and y plus 1. Okay, now this is called 4 neighbors. Okay, this is called 8 neighbors. Which are the 8 neighbors? The diagonal pixels are considered as 8 neighbors, including 4 neighbors of a middle pixel. I hope you understood this one. Okay, now this is what the detailed diagram I have shown. Okay, x minus 1, y. Okay, now this is what, these are the 4 neighbors. Okay, and these are the 8 neighbors. Okay, now I think throughout your class we are using with the n4 of p, means the 4 neighbors of the middle pixel, and nd of p, it is also given as nd, the diagonal, or you may consider as a n8 also. Both will be same. Okay, because nd is included with the n4, altogether it will be considered as n8. Okay, we are most of the time we are not using with the nd. Okay, you use with the 8 neighbors of the current pixel. Okay, that is what it is. It is 8 neighbors is a union of n4 and the diagonal. Okay, I hope this coordinate, how we are referring for the 4 and the 8 neighbor, is very much clear for you. Okay, okay, this is what the diagram. You should understood how the coordinate values are changing. Okay, now see, when I consider here, okay, you may have n number of pixels like this. like this. Okay, that is m rows. You may have m rows, we call it the m rows, okay, and n columns. Okay, now when I consider any one pixel, okay, look at this one, any one pixel, you go like this, okay, like this, okay, that is here. Okay, this is what the criteria to be followed throughout for your image processing concept. Okay, now as I told about a relationship between pixels, okay, now we'll define adjacency. Adjacency is nothing but, okay, our neighboring pixels relationship. Neighboring pixels means I told about neighboring pixels, which are the neighboring pixels 4 or 8. Okay, now adjacency will be 4 adjacency, 8 adjacency, then one more we are getting here, that is m adjacency. Okay, now when I discussing on 4 adjacency, okay, the 2 pixels, okay, now I consider this is a P and Q. Okay, now this is the adjacency. Okay, now if I consider this is a P and a Q, throughout we are referring it like this. Okay, now if I consider a 4 adjacency, okay, if you want to go from P to Q, you have to always follow the path of 4. 4 in the sense you always go with like either vertically or horizontally. Look at this one. If I want to go the path from P to Q, you can't go in the 4 adjacency. How you have to go? You have to go all the way, okay, vertically like this, and you have to make a connectivity. Okay, now 4 adjacency, if I discuss here, what is the distance between P and Q for 4 adjacency? Now as I told previously, the distance between the neighboring pixels is 1. The distance between the neighboring pixels is 1. Means what is the path between P and Q is total 2. Okay, because you in the 4 adjacency you can't move diagonally. You have to always go with vertically and horizontally. Okay, now let us move on to like a 8 adjacency. If I want to go 8 adjacency, 8 adjacency is nothing but a diagonally also you can move. Okay, can I go directly from P to Q? Yes. What is the distance between P and Q? Is 1. Why I can go? Because there is a path is allowed for 8 adjacency. I hope I understood. Okay, provided whatever I have discussed here, you are going from P and Q, okay, path will be connected between horizontally and vertically. Okay, you need to be always follow with the vector V. Vector V, in which, okay, whenever you are going, okay, it is given with a vector values. Okay, let us take that value. When you are connecting between P and Q, either in vertically or diagonally, it has to be a value between V. There has to be the value common between, okay, P and Q, so that it is a value will be coming from the vector V. Okay, let us move on to the how we have defined this one. Okay, now the m adjacency, okay, it is a mixture of both, that is a 4 adjacency and 8 adjacency. Okay, now when I am discussing here, okay, let us consider this is a P, this is a Q pixel. Okay, what I told, it is a mixture of both. Okay, now there are the two conditions to be satisfied for m adjacency. The very first condition is that Q is in the set of n4 of P. Okay, now this is a Q is in the set of n4 of P, or okay, Q is in the set of nd of P, and set n4 of P intersection of n4 of P has no pixel values whose values are from V. Okay, I think this is a very much confusing word for you. Okay, let us make a clear picture for you. Okay, now when I consider this is a V, it has got like some vectors. Okay, there will be values will be given. Okay, now P and Q, look at this one, this is a P and Q, which is a common point for the P and Q, common point, we call it an intersection point. Okay, let us consider this is an intersecting point. Okay, this is a common point for the P and Q. Yes, one more common point, what is that? This is a common point. Okay, now when you're going from P and Q, okay, this value it should not be from V vector, then only you can go from P to Q. I hope you understood. Okay, let us consider, I call it this one x1, this will be called as x2. Okay, now the x1 should not be from vector V. Okay, similarly means you can consider 50% that you can go from P and Q. Okay, there is a one more condition you have to check in. Okay, there is a one more intersection point, which is a point x2. x2 is a neighbor of P. Yes. x2 is also a neighbor of Q. Yes. If this value x2 value is also from V, you can't go diagonally but from P to Q. Then how you can go? All the way you can go with the 4. That is the first point. What I discussed here, the first point you can go it like this. Okay, means 8 adjacency. Okay, when you are checking with the M adjacency, this intersection point, intersecting value, it should not be from V. Okay, if it is not there, you have to always check one more adjacent pixel. What is that? x2. If this is also from V, you can't go from diagonally P to Q. I hope you understood here. Okay. Okay, this is how the path to be followed here. Okay, a digital path curve from pixel P with coordinates x0, y0 to pixel Q with coordinates x and yn. Okay, now let us how the path to be followed in detail, we'll discuss it with the example. Okay, now this is the path when you are discussing a path here. Okay, there's a 4 adjacency, 8 adjacency and M adjacency. We need to be connectivity to be found between the two neighboring pixels, and we will give the values. Okay, now in today's class, okay, just I given the theoretical concept how we are finding, okay, the neighboring pixels path. Okay, for the class I'll solve the problems related to 4, 8 and M, so that you can understand in detail about this. Thank you.